Hello dear students, class 8th sentence topics G exercise. First part I have already done and in that we have done from 1 to 10th page. ये आ गई है हमारा 11th page G exercise से. ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं. Change the sentence from negative to positive or from positive to negative. ठीक है, सेकंड तक दे रखा है. यहाँ पर जय वाले पे जाते हैं. जय प्लीज़ डोंट वेट फॉर मी एट द लंच, आई माइट नॉट रिटर्न होम बिफोर 2 PM. तो ये ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव में है तो इसे पॉजिटिव बनाना है. I may be late for lunch. Full stop. Please eat without me. I could be late and reach till 2 PM. ठीक है. I will also be late for lunch. Mother, I won't be able to come home for lunch either. तो won't है तो इसे पॉजिटिव बनाएंगे. I will also be late for lunch. Full stop. Yes or no. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. सम क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आंसर विद अ येस और अ नो. इनको सबको रीड कर लीजिए. राइट क्वेश्चंस फॉर दीज आंसर्स. चूज द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम टू बिगिन द क्वेश्चन. चूज द इनकरेक्ट, क्रॉस द इनकरेक्ट वर्ड. आइए बनाते हैं एच एक्सरसाइज. व्हाट आर यू राइटिंग. क्वेश्चन था आई एम राइटिंग एन आर्टिकल फॉर द स्कूल मैगजीन. विल नीरज attend the meeting tomorrow? Question mark. Neeraj won't attend the meeting tomorrow. Haven't या has, इसमें से यूज़ करेंगे. has Shilpa ever seen a dolphin? Question mark. डिड की जगह इज GIGO a term related to computers? Question mark. Yes, GIGO is a computer related term. It stands for garbage in and garbage out. Project है work in group of 4, plan a tree plantation drive or a cleanliness drive in your school premises. ठीक है, ये आप अपने आप करना. प्रोजेक्ट है. सॉरी, आगे बढ़ते हैं. एक्सरसाइज आई पे आते हैं. Change these statements into questions that can be answered with a yes or a no. I can ride a horse. Can you ride a horse? Second है there is a stud farm near my house. Is there a stud farm near your house? Question mark. My trainer is kind and patient with me. Is your trainer kind and patient with you? There are many rules that each rider must follow. क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं. Are there many rules for riders? Question mark. 5 है children below the age of 8 are not allowed to ride a horse. Are children below the age of 8 not allowed to ride a horse? क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा देंगे. Children are not allowed to ride without their trainers. तो इसका बनाएंगे. Are children allowed to ride alone. You have to be strong and healthy to ride a horse. Do you have to be strong and healthy to ride a horse? Question mark. Most children first learn to ride a pony. Do most children learn to ride a pony फर्स्ट? पोनी होती फीमेल हॉर्स, छोटी वाली, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है, चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट अलाउड टू फीड देयर पोनीज और हॉर्सेस। आर द चिल्ड्रन allowed to feed their ponies or horses? Question mark. It is compulsory for each rider to wear riding dress and shoes. Is it compulsory for each rider to wear riding dress and shoes? Question mark. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन टैग्स। क्वेश्चन टैग्स होते हैं जो हम किसी स्टेटमेंट को क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं तो उसके लास्ट में हम एक क्वेश्चन वर्ड लगाकर क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा देते हैं और इसमें वर्ब का हेर फेर करते हैं। वर्ब पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव बना देते हैं, नेगेटिव है तो वर्ब को पॉजिटिव बना देते हैं। कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस बाय राइटिंग करेक्ट क्वेश्चन टैग्स। यू विल वॉच क्रिकेट ऑन टेलीविजन टुनाइट। विल है तो इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? वोंट यू। इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग। ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। विल है तो इसका नेगेटिव बनाएंगे वोंट इट। थर्ड है, द बैटिंग ऑर्डर वोंट सडनली कोलैप्स। वोंट है तो विल इट। फोर्थ है, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ नेल बाइटिंग फिनिश। इजंट इट। इज है तो इसका नेगेटिव बनाएंगे ना, इजंट इट। वी विल ऑर्डर अवर डिनर फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिक्स रेस्टोरेंट। Won't we? Rewrite these sentences as questions. Use question tags. 6 पे आते हैं। They use organic products. Don't they? और इसके लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा देंगे। येस, दे डोंट टेक अ लॉन्ग टाइम ओवर द ऑर्डर। सेवेंथ बनाएंगे, दे डू डिलीवर कॉमा डोंट दे। नेक्स्ट है, देयर इडलीज एंड वड़ाज आर एक्सट्रीमली गुड। आरंट दे? देयर आरंट दे, यहीं पे लगा दो। क्वेश्चन मार्क है ये, क्वेश्चन मार्क। नवीन इज ट्रीटिंग अस। इजंट ही? क्वेश्चन मार्क। आगे बढ़ते हैं। राइटिंग का थोड़ा इशू रहता है इस ऐप में और कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। रीड दिस कन्वर्सेशन। देयर इज आर मिसिंग वर्ड्स इन ईच डायलॉग। पुट ए स्लैश इन इट्स प्लेस एंड राइट द करेक्ट वर्ड्स ऑन द ब्लैंक। शुरू करते हैं। मीरा सार्थक कहता है, मीरा एंड हरीश कम टू डांस क्लास टुडे, हैवन दे? ठीक है, अब हम भी बनाते हैं। एडल बोलती है, दे मस्ट प्रैक्टिस हार्ड। मसंट दे? देयर टीचर वेरी गुड। इजंट शी? देयर टीचर इज। इट इज अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट मीरा हर्ट हर फुट बिफोर परफॉर्मेंस। Wasn't it? Yes, but she not in bed for very long, was she? She was not. No, she did start moving about in 4 weeks. Does she? Didn't she? Sarthak, well, she started performing well again. She hasn't started performing well again, has she? Satak, no, but that would be too much to expect, wouldn't it? Would है तो wouldn't आ जाएगा ना. Well, she will perform soon, won't she? Will की negative form won't होती है. And it will be easy for her. Will it? It will not be easy. Shalini is replacing her, isn't she? ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 15 पर. Clauses. A clause is a group of words that forms a part of a sentence. It has a subject and a predicate. There are two types of clause: principal clause and subordinate clause. इसे आप अच्छे से रीड कर देना. लिख द प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, जो मेन क्लॉज होता है उसे लिख करेंगे. Write your name. Yes, it is a principal clause. Second, because she is an Indian. No. Third, give me. Yes, it is a principal clause. Fourth, a sentence that explains blah 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 blah. It's not a clause. Fifth is the main idea should be clear. Yes, it is a clause. Express an idea. Yes, it is a clause. When Malti wrote an email dash 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 dash, it is not a clause. However, this is not correct. Yes, it is. While you were on the phone, blah 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 blah. What was the message Mr. Roger gave for the chairperson? Blah 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 blah. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Read this poem. Write yes, delete. Identify the underlined parts as principal or subordinate or phrase. Guess Gus is the cat at the theater door. It is a phrase. His name, as I ought to have told you before, it is subordinate clause. It is really asparagus. That's such a fuss. That such a fuss is a principal clause. To pronounce that we usually call him just Gus. It is a subordinate clause. Let's move forward. His coat's very shabby. He's thin as a rake. It's a principal clause. And he suffers from palsy that makes his paw shake. It is a principal clause. Yet he was in his youth quite smartest of cats. It's in his youth. It's a phrase. But no longer a terror to mice and rats. It's a subordinate clause. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Sid and Joseph are talking about Gus the cat from the above poem. Complete their conversation with a principal or subordinate clause. Use the hints in the brackets. Sid बोलता है, sometimes I see a cat loitering around the theater door. Joseph, I have seen him too. He has been there for so long that they have named it Gus. Sid, my elder sister told me his name is asparagus. His name is asparagus. They must have shortened the name because it is too hard to pronounce. Sid, I think he's shabby and thin. Have you noticed his paws shake? Joseph, they probably shake because he suffers from palsy, P-A-L-S-Y. That's pity. My sister told me that when she was of my age, he was smart and handsome. She was smart and handsome. ठीक है, लिख लेना आप पूरा. सब्जेक्ट प्रेडिकेट, सब्जेक्ट वो पार्ट होता है सेंटेंस का जो बताता है कि वर्क कौन कर रहा है, और प्रेडिकेट इज द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ब विच ऑफ द सेंटेंस विच इंक्लूड्स द वर्ब। ठीक है, इसे आप अच्छे से रीड कर लेना, सारा एक्सप्लेनेशन बहुत बढ़िया दिया हुआ है। एंड पार्ट पे आते हैं सीधा। एड प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज ऑफ योर ओन टू मेक कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस, आप अलग भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। रजत completed his project and he presented it on Monday. My father kneaded the dough and he made a cake. Chapatis dash, so I borrowed it from my friend. I wanted a book. Fifth है, I like the fifth book in the Harry Potter series because I don't like the movies, but I don't like the movies. 16 students got into the bus, but it became very crowded, so it was hot inside. अंदर गर्मी हो गई थी. I prefer living in Kolkata, but there is a lot of traffic. There is a lot of traffic. You had better hurry or you will be late. Can you go to the uniform shop today and pick my shirt? ठीक है भाई, हो गई। Match the columns to make complex sentences. This is the period when preparations for the annual day are in full swing. Second, we were playing when the rain started. J के साथ जाएगा second. Third, I sent Rangini an email when she was in camp. Third, A के साथ जाएगा. Fourth, we have a great time when we go to my grandparents' place. Fifth है, I began to feel better after my mother gave me a herbal tea. Sixth, if you want me to help you in kitchen, I will be free after lunch. Clean your room. Seventh, I have to be in the gym in the morning to help my teacher finalize the badminton kits for sports day. Seventh, eighth, the cake got burnt because I was busy in reading. The magician performed a trick which made me rub my eyes. The police caught the thief who stole Verma's jewelry. ठीक है, more for practice. There is an error in each line. Error ढूंढना है हमें, गलती पता करनी है. Many था, any का many. There are hidden from us for someone dug up. There they were. Some very old ruins have been found in the north. We know, however, that long ago, even before Aryans came to India, they used to trade with people in other countries. They sent many of their goods to Mesopotamia and Egypt. They sent across the sea rice and spices like pepper and teak wood. It is said some of the ancient places of the city of the city. Ninth, it is also said that the gold and pearls and ivory and peacocks and apes were sent from India to Western countries. Thus, there must have been a great deal of trade between India and other countries. Let's move on to the next exercise. One word is missing from each sentence. Indicate the position of the missing word. Write a/, write the word on the blank. Some of the great cities are on the banks of the river. One of the oldest was Indraprasth, which was somewhere near Delhi. Banaras or Kashi is very old, perhaps one of the oldest exciting cities of the world. Allahabad, Vijayawada and Patna are many others and are also on the banks of the rivers. से फिफ्थ है though most of these are not very old. Prayag and Patna and Patliputra used to be called are pretty old. Prayag was palace of sacrifice. Mughal Akbar renamed Prayag and as Allahabad. Mughal emperor. Allahabad means city of God. The name Patliputra is believed to have come from the Sanskrit word. तो ये थे सेंटेंसेस जो अब कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. वीडियो पसंद आई है, हेल्पफुल रही है तो थम्स अप कर देना और आके रिक्वेस्ट कर देना मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कि आगे मैं कौन सी वीडियो बनाऊँ. ठीक है, बाय बाय.